In this video, I'm going to help you to create a beautiful poster about days of the week. Now, if you want to save some time, you can just let me know down in the comments. I can give you this high quality PDF for free. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. All right, let's get ready and let's learn to make this poster. All right, one of the first steps is to open a file. I like to open a document which is A3 size. Now, you're going to click on all the colors and you down below you have the bar with the more specific colors. So at the moment we are on white. So what you need to do is slightly slide the little circle and you want a color that is not white, it's just a little like cream, very light white color. Now you're gonna press L on your computer. L will automatically give you a line and then you're going to increase the weight of this line. Now what you do next is you select the colors from the tool bar below and you can change the colors of these lines. Now you go ahead and you curve the line. You can change this by using the tool options at the top. Next, use the pointers so that you can adjust the shape you want. Now that you have the shape, you are free to pick the colors you want. Now your best friend will be Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and now you can simply rearrange your new shapes. That's one. Now we have two. And all you need to do next is repeat the process. Click on it, go to the color. On the main color bar, pick a color and you can now press around and you can find that desirable color that you want. Repeat again. You stretch on one side, stretch on the other side. Now in the center, you can stretch up or down to get the shape of the rainbow. Now again, I'm going for something blue, something light, and then I have this color now. Repeat the process again. You move it around, stretch on the sides as far as you want. Then you can bring it down. You can try to adjust it. And you can center it and you can just go up and down and you keep repeating the processes. And feel free to change the color as you like. Click on the main color that you see, then you start moving it around until you get the color that you want. And it's pretty easy. You might think this might take you long, but it doesn't, because actually if you were to do this after watching the video, probably will take you around 3 minutes to do it. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Remember to give us a like or leave a comment. We really appreciate your support. Now, just keep repeating the process. It's very simple now. Move it up, you can adjust it, the spacing, and click on the main color bar. Pick a color, start clicking around, and you can find that color that reflects your personality, something that represents you. Any color is all about you. This is not about being perfect. This is about being able to do the best you can. Now that we have the rainbows, the lines, we can go ahead and we can go and type days of the week. We can go ahead, we can try to find the best text you like. I like deco. After choosing deco, I'm going to Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and then I'm going to use another font. I'm going to use for this one. I'm going to use bold. I want it a little thicker, so, and I'm going to start writing the days of the week. I'll make it a little bigger. There we go. And I'm going to change to white just because, I mean, it looks nice on these colors. Then Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and Control C, Control V, and you could have all the text boxes. And now you can go ahead, press caps on your computer, and you can start writing the days of the week. Start Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and lastly, we have Sunday. Now, to give it the effect, the curved effect for the words, we need to actually apply an effect. So click on the word Monday, click on Tuesday, click on all of the days of the week, go to the bar up and press effects. Now try to find a shape and you're going to curve it. Just curve all, and now one by one you can adjust it. You can go start with Monday, then you can move on to Tuesday, click effect, and you can adjust it right there. Looks good. Do the same with Wednesday, and you simply keep repeating the process. Very simple. It looks complicated. It takes a lot of time, but actually it doesn't. I'm just taking my time to help you think outside the box on how to create these nice posters. And again, if you would like to save some time, just let me know down in the comments. Give this video a like. I can actually give you this high quality PDF for free. If you are in a hurry, you can have it ready. Or also you can leave us a comment what could be improved, what you would have done better. I'm also willing to take feedback and improve. Now, see how nice this days of the week poster is looking like. Now I want to give it a effect on the side. So I'm going to find a stick, something that looks like wood. So I simply type in the elements box stick and I get this nice stick color that will give it a nice poster effect to make it look more aesthetically appealing. So we're going to Control C and Control V and play on the side, and you can try to guess where more or less these can align to nicely. Now see how it starts to make the poster outstand. Repeat the same process. Control C, Control V. Actually, you use a lot of Control C and Control V in Canva. It's going to be your best friend if you can duplicate using Control C on your computer. Makes you work really fast. Now let's do the top corners and the bottom corners. Wow, see how it's looking. Control C, Control V, and also you can use the arrows on your computer, the up, down, left, right arrows. It can help you to move precisely to the desired position that you want. So I'm just going to be here trying to adjust it to make it look nice. I'm gonna click on it, press the arrows, Control C, Control V is going to help you to make it look really nice. So now see how it's looking. It's looking very nice. And actually after you print this out, you're gonna be really impressed of the quality of how nice this poster looks. So I Control C the top one, now I bring it down and I can have the bottom part now ready. Wow, see how it looks. Started to look really nice. So we started from just a white paper. We slowly came to this part. Now, see how nice this poster looks. And again, if you like these tutorials, let me know down in the comments what other poster you would like me to create for you, save you time, and always remember to give us some feedback, like the video, and I hope this video helped you create a nice poster of days of the week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.